Okay, so we talk about the URL link and the share button. What about a paste button? Okay, so basically the paste button is that just to paste whatever you already copy that, and just to read the item from the pasteboard and deliver that to a closure. So yeah, let me show you what all this paste button is about. Can I add like a divider in between so you guys can see things more clearly? Because okay, right now it's a little bit crowded. So basically the paste button is going to be something like this. Paste button. Okay, and we got this like payload type on paste, something like that. Supports content type. Yeah, we can get like a lot of ways of doing things. Transferable with, yeah, let me just use this one. Payload type will be a string. Okay, so normally we treat this as a string, and string itself, we want to payload type to get the string itself, and then you can say for a strings in our yeah, but we have to get a placeholder for that. Let me think. Maybe I'm going to add a state variable here. Add a state variable and private, so nobody can access this unless you want. Private var, and I'm going to say a specific text string, and so let's make it empty. Okay, and here I'm gonna say for strings in our text, and I'm going to get that strings. Okay, so basically just access that, get it, store it, and yeah, basically that's it. You can have a label style, but that's not necessary. So you can already run this. Okay, so my Patreon page, divider, share, and paste. Okay, so there's no way actually seeing all the paste, because you're right. Yeah, you just got a button here. So yeah, let's connect this into something. So let's add a like text before the paste button. So in order for you guys to see clearly, I just added text. Right now it does not have anything, so the first time you run you should got nothing. But then let's just got some like a William JM. Okay, it's common, and I'm going to copy it. Okay, Command and C. Of course you can just right click, just make sure that you copy it, because it kind of just share the same clip on a pastable. Okay, so if you go here right now, you got nothing, but since I already copied the William JM, so it paste, and there should be a William JM. Okay, William JM 1 2 3, and I'm going to copy that. Okay, and if I click paste, you should update this. Okay, it's already updated. It updated because it updated the text, and text is a private var container, and you just paste whatever in your pasteboard. Okay, and the content will get it here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helpful, and in the Patreon you can just click download all the code.